been yawning forever, but why is it even contagious?
One yawn and boom, everyone around you glitches into yawning too.
You just felt it, didn't you? And if you didn't yawn yet, your brain is trying right now.
It's called emotional syncing, and your brain mirrors their state. Yawning spreads because your brain copies others to stay alert.
Your mind thinks a yawn means stay awake, so it fires one too.
Follow before your mind copies the next weird fact on its own.